everyone, welcome again in your grammar class. In this class, we will discuss the third part of the present tense, that is present perfect tense. Earlier, we came to know the definition of the tenses, that is, the form of the verb that indicates the time and manner of the action is known as tenses. So, whenever we will do tenses, we will definitely revise the definition of the tenses. So, today we will learn about the present perfect tense. First, we will discuss about the definition of the present perfect tense. Let's see here. Actually, this tense is used to describe any action which has been completed. And the adverbs that can be used to support the action are yet, as yet, already, just, so, so far, once or twice. These are the adverbs that are basically used in present perfect tense. Okay. Now we will see what is the proper use of present perfect tense. First, when we talk about an action that began in the past and has just been completed, this is one thing. Second, when we talk about an action that took place in the past but whose effect can be felt at the time of speaking. In this, action was taken in the past. Here also, action was begun in the past, but effect can be felt at the time of speaking. This is the difference only. Fine. And in this tense, if and when can also be used as the adverbs. As I told you earlier, the adverbs like yet, as yet, so far, once, twice can be used to show the completion of the action. If and when are also used. Now we will see some examples of this. Here, first is I have finished writing the report on the accident. I have finished. Here it is showing the completion of the action only. Okay. Second is I have eaten my lunch already. Here already is the adverb. As I told you, some adverbs support the action that are being completed. If you have studied well, you will do well in your exam. Here will is also used, but if almost is used in the beginning of the sentence, as here it is used. If we will use that in center, that will be conjunction. Fine. So there we have to be very careful while using when or if. In the same way, when is used in the fourth sentence. When you have completed this task, I will give you the next one. Here also, if we will use when in the center of this sentence, then that when will work as a conjunction, not as an adverb. Okay. Now, moving next, we will see when we use assertive sentences, negative or interrogative or only interrogative, then what kind of sentence structure we have to follow. First, I have assertive. In assertive, we use subject, has, have, third form of the verb. That is very necessary to know that always we use third form of the verb in present perfect tense. Two examples I have taken here. I have done it. He has done it or she has done it. You have done it. Okay. In negative sentences, we follow not with the helping verb. Like here I have used subject, that has, have, and not will be used. Third form of the verb and then object. Two examples are taken here. I have not done it. He has not done it. Next, when we will use interrogative sentences, there also what kind of sentence structure we have to follow? See here. Has, have, that is our auxiliary verb or helping verb, will be in the beginning, then after subject, then third form of the verb and then object. Like two examples are taken here. Have you completed your work? Has she done it? After that, question mark will be put on. Next, when we will use interrogative negative. Interrogative means question sentences and negative means we have to follow their not also. Like has, have. Helping verb will be in the beginning. Then we will follow subject here. I have not written here, but I am telling you has or have. Then after we have to write their subject. It is shown in the example. Then we have to write their not. Then third form of the verb and then object. Here you can see two examples. Have you not finished your task? Has he not eaten a burger? Okay. Moving next, now we will see some illustrative examples how we will use present perfect tense in the different sentences. As I told you, in the negative what sentence structure we will follow, in affirmative what we will follow, and interrogative what we will follow. So basically I have taken 3 examples of the same kind. First is Rohit has just received the letter. This is positive sentence, and this positive we are supposed to change into negative. So how it will be changed? Here you can see just is used in the positive sentence, but when we will change this into negative, just will not be followed. It will be written in simple way. Rohit has not received the letter. Okay. Have we reached the park? This is interrogative. Now we will change this into interrogative negative. Already this sentence is in interrogative. We have to change this into interrogative negative. What we will do? Have we not reached the park yet? At the end we have used here yet. This will show the completion of the task, means we are not reached. This is the confirmation. Why have you not participated in the quiz? This is given in interrogative form. We have to change it into positive. How we will change it? Why is given in the beginning here, but when we will change this into positive, why will be removed. You have participated in the quiz. Some more examples I have taken when we are supposed to fill the form of the verb in the blanks. How we will do? First is he dash his hotel location. In the bracket we are having the verb form forget. As we are doing present perfect tense, it means there we have to use has have according to the subject, that is singular or plural. Then after third form of the verb will be followed. So how we will do this? He has forgotten his hotel location. Okay. It has rained. I have already worked here. How many times have you visited there before? Fine. So in this way, from many resource books, you can do the practice of present perfect tense, and variety of exercises are there to practice this tense. I hope this tense is also clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.